off the vlog. It's officially Blue Angels. We're here at 7:10 waiting for the blues. And it's more crowded than ever. So I've got all my stuff here to take some photos. I've got on my blue and yellow swimsuit, my earrings. She's got on her earrings. Hat. It's gonna be great. Hopefully I can actually get the sneak pass this year. Last year I could not get it. But it is slammed this year. There's like hardly nowhere to sit. It's the busiest ever. Just realized for that intro I should have used the microphone, but I didn't. These waves are continuing to scare me. We finished up, and now we're just walking around and looking at all the merch. We came to the Fairfield. It's really nice. They have a lazy river. Hey, update on the vlog. It's day 2. Yesterday they had the iconic low pass, and I didn't get it because I didn't see it coming. That's unfortunate. It made world news. I was there and all I got was this.
It went right over our heads.
Yeah, pretty disappointing, but it was crazy. All the umbrellas and the tents went flying. It was awesome. We came this morning to park, and then we went to eat at the Reef, and then we went to Paradise for a little while, and then we came back here. Took the Island Breeze cart to the beach here. And now we're waiting for the show. The water is kind of not very good today. So we have a couple of minutes, I think, until it starts. And then, yeah. Test out the Insta360 today. Pop in some footage if it's cool. Okay everyone, welcome to the Airshow. It's officially Airshow day on Saturday, and we're here at Flounders, and we gained a special guest along the way. Here she is, everybody.
Hello, hello. Nice to be back with the diesel fuel.
What kind of diesel fuel did you get?
Tropical.
The classic. So we're just chilling, and it's a great day. It's hot, but
how busy it is out there.
It is really busy. Take a look at the crowd. So here's Flounders. We're just chilling. And it's like, see if I can zoom in. Just a ton of boats. A ton of boats out there. And a ton of people are at the beach bar. But it's a great day. The civilian acts have already started. Kylie and DJ have a condo. So we're going to go see them after a while.
Anna, how do you work this? Unless I can get one of
I would puke everywhere.
That is, yeah, you didn't buy that.
True.
Go back to
You're not
Paradise,
lying.
and I'll buy a bushwhacker.
Yeah, I'll buy you a bushwhacker at Paradise, so then you'll still be good.
Really?
Yeah.
No. I'll buy the bushwhacker.
Yeah. Me and Eric will both buy you.
It's not a special.
Yeah, you'll get 2 bushwhackers. Kylie, you gotta give a live update.
We're waiting for the show to start.
What's up?
We have an hour and 22 minutes.
Get ready with me.
Wait, an hour and 12 minutes, and
Nails like B2 pump.
we're really excited to see the Blue Angels.
God, we look so like tan and shiny and beautiful.
We're excited! Yay!
We may go to Paradise. Stay tuned.
Going right now.
Who's coming to Paradise?
Alright, reach out and grab it. What am I supposed to be getting? This is on us.
Oi.
Oh.
I mean, we never started constantly. We made it out of there.